In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these cute shamrock appliques. They're super cute, it's super easy to work up. They only take one round to create. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you how I made these little shamrocks. So what you want to do is you want to start off with a acrylic yarn. You can use any yarn of your choice, but today I'm using an acrylic yarn. I'm going to use a size H or 8 5mm crochet hook. So I'm going to begin with a magic ring. Okay, so now that I have my magic ring or magic circle, that's sometimes you'll see it called a magic ring or magic circle. So now you want to chain 2, and then we're going to work 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now that we have our 3 treble crochets, we're going to chain 2, and we're going to do a slip stitch into the center of the magic ring. And that completes the first leaf of the shamrock. So now let's go ahead and begin the second leaf. So to do that, we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to do 3 treble crochets into the center of the magic ring. That's 1 treble crochet, so the second treble crochet. Now a 3rd treble crochet. So now that we have our 3 treble crochets, chain 2, and then do a slip stitch into the center of the magic ring. And that completes our second leaf of our shamrock. So now we are going to start our 3rd one, and we're going to work it the same way we did the other 2. So chain 2, and then do 3 treble crochets into the center of the magic ring. It's 1, 2, we're going to do our 3rd treble crochet, and now you're going to do a chain 2 and do a slip stitch into the center of the magic ring. Okay. So now we need to make our stem. So to work the stem, we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 4 chains. So we're going to be skipping the first chain and begin our work into the second chain from the hook. And we're going to work a half double crochet into that second chain. So yarn over, skip the first chain, and insert the hook into the second chain. Yarn over and work a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, we're working our way back up the stem now towards the leaf. So now, the second one, we're going to do a single crochet. Into this chain, we're going to do a slip stitch. And then you're going to do a slip stitch into the center of the magic ring. Okay, so now we are ready to fasten off. So let's go ahead and cut a tail here. And then yarn over with that tail and pull it right through that loop. Give it a tug to fasten off. So now what you want to do is you want to close up the center of your magic circle or magic ring. So just pull that little tail there to close up the center of the magic ring to make that center hole as small as you possibly can. And then there you have your little crocheted shamrock. How adorable is that, and how easy was that? Now, if you want to sew it onto a project, then you could leave these tails, because then you could use those tails to sew it onto a project. This would look adorable on a coffee cup cozy, a headband, anything that you really want to put it on. And it'd also be cute if you attached it to a barrette. So if you wanted to fasten them off, then this is what they'll look like when you're done, once you weave in the tails. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial today. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. And until the next time I upload a tutorial, happy crocheting!